So, have you ever wondered what would happen if we entered inside a nebula? That's what we will see in today's video.
Well, when we look at the sky, we see bright points, stars, galaxies, but among them, there are true cosmic monsters, immense colorful clouds formed by dust and gas, the famous nebulas. But what if we somehow managed to enter the nebula? What would we see? What would we feel? And more importantly, would we survive? But first, do you know what a nebula is? Well, nebulas look like the paradise of astronomical wallpapers, colorful and full of almost mystical strange shapes. But what few people know is that they are incredibly empty. Even in the densest parts, a nebula can have only a few hundred particles per cubic centimeter. On Earth, the air has trillions. Okay, but getting back to the topic, entering a nebula, what would happen to us? So, let's say you're in a super advanced spaceship, slowly flying towards the nebula. From a distance, it looks like a living painting in space. But as you get closer, something disappointingly happens. Little by little, you begin to see almost nothing. Because all those colors we see in the photos don't actually exist that way. The images are captured with long exposures and enhanced colors. Your eyes would see almost darkness. But would something dangerous happen to you? Well, despite being beautiful, a nebula is not dangerous. At least not like a black hole or a supernova. But there's a detail. If it is active, like a star-forming nebula, there can be radiation, plasma shocks, and stellar winds inside. You yourself would not see with the naked eye, but your instruments would, and depending on the gas density and the energy involved, your ship could be slowly damaged. But would it be possible to land your damaged ship on that cloud? Well, the answer is no. Nebulae are gas and dust, there is no ground, and they are the opposite of solid. They are like cosmic mist. Well, if the fog were 1 light year in extent, entering a nebula would paradoxically mean entering the void, a beautifully mysterious and sometimes even deadly void. But it would also be like looking at the nursery of the universe, because it is within these silent clouds that stars are born, including our sun one day.
Well, this video was another of the many journeys that science can provide us. And if you want to embark on more of them, just subscribe to our channel. See you next time.